Hello, world people. Good afternoon. I'm here at the school of Bensagon Memorial Elementary School, and you can see here Glare. Nag-ano siya? He is selling this price. This one. Okay. So every day he can sell 5 packs. Tanawa daw ko ano daw. Ano siya price, affordable price. Ano siya, dili ni sweet potato, kung dili potato yun na siya. Tag 20. Each is only 20 pesos. So, he can consume 5 packs every day. So, look at here, his business is so easy to make and easy to sell. This is affordable price. So in a day he can count out 2,500 a day. Kani ngalan nimo, sir?
Pusoy.
Pusoy. Okay. So good business, people, because he can really earning money every day and easy to make, easy to sell, easy to make. Good. It's a good thing. It's a good business. Yeah, for those who want to make a good business, okay, try this. You do this. Oh, look at it. It's very easy to sell. It's per cup is only 20 pesos.